Today I'm making a vegan banana chocolate chip pancakes. It's vegan. So we're not going to be using any dairy items. This recipe is for those people who are vegetarians and they don't consume any dairy. So this is for them. So for the first process of this vegan banana chocolate chip pancakes, vegan banana pancakes with chocolate chips, I'm going to be making oats milk, which is very simple to make. So what I'm using, I'll just show that to you. I have taken 3 cups of filtered water. You need filtered water. You can't take tap water, you have to take filtered water. 3 cups of filtered water, half cup of oats, rolled oats. I have taken 2 dates. 2 dates I'm going to take. I have just soaked it in the water so that it becomes soft. I've seeded them out. I've taken 2 dates and I have made them soft in the water, and I've de-seeded them. I've taken out the seeds from the dates, and I'm also going to be using vanilla essence, half teaspoon vanilla essence, and I'm going to be using my blender to blend and make the oats milk for this recipe. After blending, the oats milk is ready. I'm going to strain it out now. Okay, after a good mixing in the blender, I'm going to strain it. So we are going to be using banana for the banana pancakes. I am going to be using 1 cup of flour. I'm going to add that in this bowl. Okay, I'm going to add that in this bowl, and then I will use oats milk. So now I will be adding in some 3/4 cup of oats flour, oats milk, what I had prepared. I'm going to mix this in the flour mixture. I'm going to mix it because it's a vegan banana chocolate chip uh, pancakes. Okay, it's a vegan banana pancakes with chocolate chips. Now also I'm going to add in the mashed bananas. Here's the mashed bananas. I'm going to add them in this mixture. After I've added the oats milk and I've added the 1 cup of flour and the 3 medium mashed bananas. After that I have added the cinnamon powder. I've put half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Now cinnamon powder is very healthy and it gives a very good flavor to the pancakes. That's why I have added it. If you do not want to add it, you can just omit it. You can just not use it. But I have added it. If you want to use it, if that's your choice, it's optional. Also, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder in this mixture. I'm going to add that 2 teaspoons of baking powder. It's better if you use the measurement of 2 teaspoons. So I'm going to use 2 teaspoons right now. So just going to find my teaspoon. Yeah, here you go. If you want to add maple syrup, you can add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I don't have maple syrup, so I didn't add it. Otherwise, if you have maple syrup, then you can add that, right? So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, so because this is a banana chocolate chip pancakes, vegan banana chocolate chip pancakes, that's why I'm going to use dairy free chocolate chips. This is 3 tablespoons of dairy free chocolate chips. So I'm going to mix that. Now the batter is ready and I'm going to start making the pancakes. I've heated my pan with some oil and I'm going to use this measurement 1/3 cup and put it in the center of the pan. My pancakes are absolutely ready. They look amazing. I just had a bite. This is the first time I'm making a vegan pancake, and it has come out really amazing. The oats milk, the bananas, and I just used oats milk and bananas. It's a dairy free pancake, and believe me guys, I have made four big huge pancakes, and you can see the chocolate chips are also all melting in the pancake. It's so yummy guys. You have to try it, and you have to subscribe to my channel. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. I need your support, and if you like this recipe, do make it and give it a try. I have specially made this recipe for those people who like dairy-free recipes, who are vegan, and I'm sure that this recipe you will make it in your kitchen, and you will it's an amazing breakfast item. So guys, subscribe to my channel and make this amazing recipe.